So if you need your commercial flooring cleaned, give us a call.
Oh yeah, that's a big difference. Look at that. Look, that's night and day.
Yeah.
No, like it's like you can. It's like night and day.
You can tell the places I stopped.
Oh yeah, this is good. So this is a polymer. Look at the difference. Boom. So when it dries, it gets cleaner and cleaner. Days to dry. Yeah. Look at the vibrant colors coming back, sir. So wait till you see this one over here. But look at this, sir. You can see the green leaves, the yellow. This looks good. Yeah. The beautiful thing is, spots don't come back.
Right?
That looks way better.
Thank you. I see what you're doing. That's really smart. Oh yeah.
Do you see, so all of these underneath, do you see these underneath right here? Oh.
And it dries fast. It looks really good.
Yeah, I like it. It looks way better than the last one. So if you need your commercial flooring cleaned, give us a call.